everyone, welcome to the latest video. Super exciting, new location. I'm going to do my best today to not say the G word. What do you think, Steve?
I think Dave's going to fail miserably at the G word. But we're at Mill Pond in Blurton today, so we're on an estate and we don't want to wake people up, so we're going to try to be quiet as we can for at least, I don't know, 5 minutes. But you never know what's dropped in here, so we thought we'd give it a go.
This is it, new location. There could be anything in here. It could be a really nice clean pond, which is good for the environment. I'm hoping it's full of crap and nasties. Should we do this, Steve?
Let's do this, guys! Don't wake anyone up. Shh. So far, just some cans and a bent piece of pole, but it's good to be getting out the pond. We've got a bin just here, so we can drop them in there.
There you go, guys. Loads of money. I said the G word again.
So I've got some kind of clamp here. Obviously, what this will do is it'll close in and then they'll bolt it in on both sides there. Don't know if that's scaff or anything like that, but yeah, it's quite cool.
Metal bar just pulled in, guys. Guys. Lock there, guys. Oh, might as well give up with that one, eh? So, this one isn't a square lock, like what we found the other day.
Square?
Yeah, so I did have a learning experience there with square, but yeah, little lock that's been snipped.
Well, it looks like one of those poker tokens, but it's got... He's from the wrestling. JBL. What was his bloody name? JBL. I think it says it on the back, but it's his autograph. He used to wear the cowboy hat.
A wrestler?
Yeah, John Bradshaw Layfield or something like that. JBL. There you go. He was a wrestler back in the day from WWE. WWE. Not throwing it like a sissy girl now. No need to be quiet. Probably going to get told to get lost at some point. It's a smelly one here. Because it's obviously just like a pond. There's nothing feeding it, so there's no like water stream coming through or anything like that. So it's just stagnant. Yeah, what that is? Look at that. It looks like it would fit into something and then hold something down. Maybe. It's pretty cool. I've noticed, instead of saying interesting, I say pretty cool a lot. It's pretty cool. So, this looks like a screwdriver come like a ratchet type socket thing. Weird. Yeah, see all the way through that. So 2 different sized hexagon or whatever they are. But yeah, screwdriver. I don't want to be getting this in my mouth. Ugh. That's what my magnet's coming out looking like at the moment. Grim. Lost my grip on it because it was maybe off some fishing wire. There you go, a bolt. Bolt. What are you saying? I think I'm going to go further up that way. This pond isn't as productive as we thought it might be, so we might find ourselves moving on a little bit. The later it gets, more people are going to be about, and I think we'll probably want to move on soon, so watch this space.
Tin cup. So that's just come in. Some smoking kills tin. So got cigarettes in or roll-ups or something. Bar. Loads of shrapnel. 5 pences, 10 pences, 2 pences. So loads of money coming out. But in terms of anything good, nah, there's not much happening here. I'll be surprised if we stay here that much longer. We've got another location in mind, probably going to shoot over there and actually find a lot more stuff. But we're going to keep going. Fingers crossed, Let's see if we can get a bit more out, but it's slow down here, guys. There's a G word. It's slow and there ain't much happening, so we want to find stuff. Let's do this.
Whoa. We've got bubbers. Fence post. Bringing it in now, guys. I said guys, I'm turning to Dave. First decent find of the day. It's a pretty decent nick, actually, this. This has not been in here very long. And I would say, pretty salvageable little spade there. Not bad.
Some really large bolt. I don't know what that is.
Check that out. Little hammer there. That I'm going to keep because I need one that small. Don't need a massive hammer. I've got one, but that is cool.
What's left of an old shopping basket. Don't think I'll be using that one again. Could get it out of the pond. Weighed an absolute ton in the mud. Shopping basket.
A prop for a washing line. Imagine if that was just stuck with the logs and everything like that. That'd be annoying. It felt like it was heavier than that, whatever it was.
Another piece of bar. Spike on the end, no idea what that's for. Large pin.
Right, so I've got no idea why someone would stick a ton of nails through a can and chuck it in. I mean, I don't know, it could be a trap. Are they trapping creatures in there? I don't know. Anyone answer that one for me? Let me know.
So, challenge item. Seen better days, but this is a DVD player, people. Oh. So, didn't think we'd get many challenge items today. We just never know, dear. So yeah, that has been in there a long time. But yeah, another challenge item.
Dave's just pulled in a key there. Normally if you like your D-locks and things like that on your bikes. Interesting. Handle of something. There you go, guys, someone's back door key by the looks of it here, and a front door key, and a radiator key on it. Always need a radiator key. Look at that. Cool. Someone's house keys. Metal corner bracket here. That's quite a good one. Quite like that. I think Dave's been offered some stolen goods, drugs, by some dodgy character. There you go, a spanner on a string. Who puts spanners on strings? There you go.
Found one of these not so long ago and I swear I've got splashback everywhere. But that is a counterweight for a window system, I think. Steve had one not so long ago. So some kind of counterweight for window. Yeah, felt heavy in the water that did.
Now this is taking me back to Sunday nights in the 80s. I know what this is. Do you know what this is? So that there will be a strip of metal where you put the key on the can and you turn it, and as you turn it you peel a metal strip from around it, open the can up, either a corned beef or a ham can. Oh wow. Do they still do those though? Haven't seen any for ages. Got a nasty looking hook there as well. I'm gonna get that stuck in my finger. Asked Dave about it the time he got a hook stuck in his finger. Came into work with a bandage on his finger. It looked like he got one of those joke hands, all those foam gloves at the wrestling match. Go! For a second then, pants were crapped. Just magnetic rock. Oh my god, not after last week. Okay, so a couple of things in there. There is a scooter in there. Also, just pulled out a hard drive. We need more firepower, so I'm going to get the Xtreme on this. There's something there that needs a bit more muscle. We got a rider. Is it a rider? You're flipping it is.
And there you can see Steve-O riding up and down on his scooter.
Check that out, not bad at all. Really decent nick this is. Oh man. It's got to be nicked and chucked in. But man, it's in such good condition. And it's even got little bars on it for like doing your tricks and stuff. Woohoo! This is an Outbreak Scooter Chimney. Check that out. I think that's the best condition scooter I've seen. Whew. Good find. I think this is the area where stuff's going to get chucked. It's a little bit more secluded, out of the way in the trees. I just pulled out a bar as well. More productive at this end, guys and girls, more productive. No screwing around.
So I also have a scooter.
Dave's also pulled in a scooter Chimney. Check that out.
I'm going to test out my new scooter.
Oh, Dave's got a rider too. That's awesome.
Scooter! And that's not a bad little scooter. So, best find of the day so far. Works perfect as well, so some kids lost that. But yeah, scooter! Maybe there's more in this pond than we first thought. So, no idea what this is. It's got some woman's face on it. Do you recognise her, boys and girls? Yeah, strange. So something is bubbling, let's check it out. Let's see what happens here, people. And it's a sign. Oh, that was heavy. With all the rubbish on it. That was heavy. So there you can see the sign. I'll clean it up, see what it is. So there you go. Sign's just come out. Now, J Murphy and Sons sign, working in partnership with the grid. There you can see. I'll give him a ring, sign back, see if they're still in business, I don't know. But yeah, there you go, full on sign. As you can see, that was so deep in the silt. Really heavy to pull in. I thought it was a motorbike or a bike. But yeah, comedy. Yeah. And obviously somebody's walked past, seen the sign and thought, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to lob it in the duck pond. Again, nice one. We'll get rid of it for you. Gets it out the pond and yeah, cleans it up a little bit. That was a good battle. Really large nut, there you can see. Oh, tough to get that off. We get a large nut. Something else coming in. No idea what it is. Could be just a log or weed, but substantial. Oh.
Dave's pulled out another scooter. Yes, mate. Yeah. It's all about scooties today.
Again, this one's pretty cool. This is a red and black one. So some poor kid has obviously had it nicked off him and it's been chucked in for whatever reason. It's not in bad nick. It's let's see what they're making. I think that's supposed to say mood gear, maybe. It's in good nick as well, but yeah. So yeah, another scooter. No idea what that is, bit random. Something here, guys. Oh, it's a bit of pipe. No idea what that is. There's something coming off it there. Weighty? No idea.
Safe. Yes. Dave's pulled in a safe, ladies and gentlemen.
Couldn't have landed that any better.
Mate, as soon as you hit that, soon.
Boom, on it, doing.
Yeah.
Look at that. Right on it. Got the chances.
Yeah, as soon as Dave hit that, it was, we looked at each other and thought, hey up, nah.
That was funny. That was right on the money.
Well, the way that, when that hit, we both looked at each other like...
Yeah. So, just chucked the magnet in, landed right on top of it and it went boom. And there you go. As you can see, nothing in it, unfortunately. Fairly heavy, weighty, safe.
Good find, mate.
But boom, that went straight bang on it. That was funny. You know the sound, don't you, Steve, when you when you hit something flat and solid.
I mean, it
safe.
went punch.
And that
Challenge item.
is another challenge item. Ding, 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 ding.
So, my last chuck here, and I've pulled in a naughty little knife blade. As you can see there. Not massive, but someone's obviously taken these things out to do something bad with them. Because otherwise, why would you chuck something like that away? So we are wrapping up here now. We're going to take the stuff away, get it in the car. We're going to move locations. It's getting a bit later in the day and this is going to get a little bit busier, so we don't want to be getting in everyone's way. We're going to go back down to a part of the railway that we did the other week where we pulled the motorbike out, but there's a bridge further up there which we've been meaning to go back to, which we haven't done yet. And we're going to go dip in there. See you in a bit, guys. Guys! We've come back down to the bridge that we said that we were going to come back down to. We've nicknamed it the Temple of Doom, haven't we, Dave?
We have, because it looks a bit dodgy.
It's a bit dodgy. Now, further on down that way the other week, we pulled out the motorbike, we pulled the gap out of here as well. So we thought we'd come back to this one. We haven't dipped in this one yet, so it's got a bit nice. Might have to get this hoodie off. My God, it's warm. It's a bit George Michael, bit warm.
Bit warm.
Bit warm. But here we go. Let's do this, guys!
Yeah.
Feels really good to be able to do that.
Yeah. Pump up the volume, pump up the volume, pump up the volume. Dance, dance. Good luck, son. Oh, mate, the acoustics. Oh, mate, I've got a chopper. A nasty axe. First chuck. Oh my days, first chuck at the new location, and that is the difference. Sometimes you need to just change location and in comes a little mini chopper. What the hell is that doing in here? But that is epic. Well impressed with that. Check that out. Nasty little bit of kit that is. What's been going down with that? No one's chopping wood here. Pair of bolt cutters, mini ones. Been in a while, so they're all rusted up. One or two interesting pieces there, so no idea what that is. It's got like a wheel on the end, heavy, and then that was heavy as well. Any ideas, guys? Let us know. So great things coming out straight away. Looks like an old screwdriver. The handle's gone, but it's got a flat head. There could be an old screwdriver there, guys. Really heavy duty links, possibly off a chain, really heavy. Another big heavy duty link. Oh my goodness, can't even get it off the evolution. Can't get it off. Have to stand on it. Get the bloody thing off. That's all cool. Woo. So really nice to actually see the boats back out. It's been a while, but the weather's good, lockdown is easy, and things are getting back to normal, which is epic. Ye olde tire rim, nice and heavy. Really good find, as Steve would say. That is off a chimney for one of the barges. We've caught a few of them in the past, so that's cool. Is it some kind of fire or stove? Like a heater? Is it a portable heater? I really haven't got a clue. Maybe you can help me there, guys. Stephen, no. I think it's some kind of heater. So, a few things of interest just come out. Bicycle saddle. A woman's shoe. And, as Steve would say, Ella, 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 bit of a Rihanna going down there. Umbrella. And that, boys and girls, is a track charge. Now, found one of these before, didn't know what it was. That is definitely a track charge, not to be messed with. So that's going straight in the bin. There you can see. the shape, I definitely know that's a track charge. I'm putting it straight in here. I only just had one of these, but I've got no idea what it is. It's got a wheel there, and it's on some kind of frame. It's heavy, so it's not light. Is it some kind of trolley, or what is it? It's obviously something you push along, mate. It's not a bike or anything like that. It's too heavy, guys. It's weighty, but what is it? What's that? Please comment below if you know what it is, guys. That'd be awesome. Oh my goodness. And there we have a complete chimney. I used to think this was like a coal shovel type thing because it got a handle there, but that's a chimney, I believe, for a canal barge. I'm more than certain. Steve will put me right in a bit, but I'm pretty sure that goes on top. I mean, it's got a handle, but yeah, that's a chimney off a barge.
Guys, this is heavy. It is heavy. Check it out. Yeah. 1 pump the iron, 2 pump the iron, 3 pump the iron. No more than 3. It is like the Weetabix. You only need the 3. Mates,
Heavy duty.
find a missing link.
Oh, Zelda and the many missing links. Another one of them wheelie jobs, guys. Really good find.
What about you? Well, you better ask yourself a question.
Do I feel lucky?
Punk. Take 2. This is quite interesting. Pandrel top. We'll have a look at that and whack a subtitle on and let you know what that is.
We are strong.
Right, guys, as you can see. So this is how we gonna do it. Right, there's a tree over there. We got this stuck last time. So a bit of tree tug of war here.
I haven't seen this for a long time. Used to do this years ago.
Sometime the 70s,
Nowadays.
Yeah.
Party time. MCD, drill bit. What is all that about, eh? What is all that about?
You find the dirty deckers in there?
I pulled a few of them out.
It really has as well.
We've got like a challenge list of things to find. And because we pulled those out before, chimney off a boat.
Oh, you have one, and that's 2.
There you go, 2 chimneys off a boat now.
There you go. Solo.
We always give it back if we pull windlasses out or anything like that, and we see the boaters, we just give them away.
So, Xbox 360 pulled out there.
Xbox gonna give it to you.
First we gonna rock, then we gonna fold, then we let it pop, don't let it go. X gon' give it to you, we gon' give it to you. X gon' give it to you.
Just gonna give it to you, as he said. That's quite heavy with all the water in it.
It's heavy anyway, Xbox.
Woo!
Crown of thorns, that does. It's all cable wrapped up. Cash in, fetch in. Well, I'm not gonna chuck it in case she does. You don't want to fall in there, Poochie?
What's the name of?
More track pins here, loads. We always find them down here. I'd like to get excited about them, but we found that flipping many.
Rush.
Found my old mother-in-law's mode of transport.
Hey!
There you go, another big track bolt just there, nice.
they called?
Oh, they're
Fenders. Fender off a barge there, guys.
I mean, they stay dry anyway, but they're dead comfy. They look nice on a burner. Yeah, boy, we got a burner.
Cheeky little burner bad boy
You
there.
like it?
For some deals and then lob it
Yes,
in the canal,
mate.
eh?
Yes, mates.
Ooh, what have we got here, son?
Wingless.
Oh, that
Wingless.
is a challenge item, son.
Challenge item, guys and girls and guys. Yes, lock key, love it. So we clean these up and we give them back. They go back to the boaters. So this is how many we've got now, about 10 in our possession. We've got about 10 of these. In the summer, weather warms up, more boats are going to be coming through. We're going to clean them up, paint them up, and we're going to give them away. So awesome. Yes, I love finding lock keys.
Good effort, son. What's that? Found so many of these now, guys. What are they? So, wheel, caster wheel, heavy duty, on a frame. Thought they'd been cut off something, but I found 4 or 5. What is it?
Hey mate, that's for a bolt. That is one big Usain. I'm pulling off one of these fenders out here.
Oh, Sadie's back.
Hello, Poochie dog. Hello. Sadie. Just pulled in some pigeon spikes there. We put these on the railings, bridges, roofs and whatever. Keep the old dirty pigeons off. Okay, so guys, we have in another track point lever just there. As you can see at the top there, we've got a thinner part. That's got some weight in it, that has, Dave. And I think
What's
what
the
we've
back,
got
mate?
here- I think this is probably a scooter. It's got the foldable bit on there,
Ah, yeah, good shout.
potentially. And this. Now I'm wondering, Dave, that part that you found the other day, like the track, I wonder if that's hollow, and I wonder if it's some kind of
Ah,
screwing device. Is it part of a rudder system for a boat? I don't know.
I think that's.
Is it something to do with the railway?
Yes, I think that's to do with the locking of the nuts and
Yeah.
the bolts on the.
It's very good heavy finds. We've also pulled out another one of those roller things that you pulled out,
Oh yeah, strange item then.
and some more chain links. These are obviously what go in the track on the sleepers. I think these go
heavy duty
to
bad
secure
boys.
them in. But yeah,
Mate, we haven't been here long, but we've got a fair bit to take back with us. So
Yeah. so we've got another trip down here. Definitely another trip down here.
Right, what an awesome day again. We smashed the mill pond in Blurton. We came down here to our haunt, which we'd not done before, this bridge. We'd only been here an hour and it's already kicking in with loads of stuff. You enjoyed it, Steve?
Yeah, it's been fantastic. Underneath this bridge itself, there is so much under there. I mean, I was chucking in, pulling out, all that stuff from under there. So fantastic. Can't wait to get back down here and do it again.
Yeah, I mean, there's so many things he's seen down there, so that'll be another day, so watch this space. But guys, really hope you enjoyed the video. We've enjoyed it, it's been great as usual. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram, and obviously YouTube. Please like and subscribe, we really appreciate it. From me and him,
Don't forget, there's also TikTok now.
yes, TikTok, forgot about that bad boy. Loads of short videos going on TikTok by this bad man. So please check him out, like and subscribe. From me and him,
Me and him.
we'll see you next time, guys.